Hello, how are you doing today? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, based on your time zone. My name is Naira and the Koya Karofel, the dude that led on to fit home. Last 5 years ago, someone introduced me to something, but I don't listen to that person because I thought that I have it all. Then, today, I'm trying to review something to you. Please make sure you don't do the same mistake I did last 5 years. I want you to take this, my advice, serious. Okay? Someone introduced me to some stuff like that and asked me to take it very serious. He asked me to start investing then, but because the little I made that time, I'm contented with it. So I said to the guy that I don't need this. But to my greatest surprise, last 2 years ago, the same person have jiggered, and the same person are doing the same thing he introduced me to do then, but I refused. That's the reason why I said that you should not do or make the same mistake I made. We are here to correct each other. If I'm not doing things right, please tell me what to do, because I have learned my lessons. So what is this thing that the person told me to start doing? He asked me to start investing in stocks, buying shares. Once I buy shares, I keep it like 5 years, then sell it and use the profit to buy again and keep it like 2, 3, 4, 5 years and sell it. That's what the person have been doing. And I thought that 5 years is too far, without knowing that 5 years is like yesterday. Here we are. So I don't want you to do the same mistake. That's why you should take this video very serious, and in fact, leave everything that you are doing and focus on this video, because you will thank me in next 5 years coming, because I'm going to reveal to you how to do money ritual. I keep saying that. To do money ritual, you don't need to kill anybody. You don't need to even to go to anybody to ask them to do some sacrifices for you before you can become a big man. No, you don't need all those things. In fact, all those things are scammers. They scam you, they collect your money, and stay. You remain poor. Okay? So what am I going to tell you? Start investing. Start buying shares. Last month I was researching on top 5 richest men in Nigeria, and I found out that what they are doing, some are in real estate management, some are in stock exchange, some are in land and property. Okay, let me tell you now, someone that bought a plot of land 1 million today, let me tell you, in next 5 years the same person will sell that land from 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million. Land of 1 million. So it's very important to invest. The time this guy told me to start investing, I thought that I have it all, because the ritual I have, I'm satisfied with the ritual I have. But today, I understand the reason why he told me to start investing. He owns a hotel now. That's one. Legitimately, he has a G-guard. That has to tell you that this person is doing very well.
Wow.
Okay? So, all I want you to do is that I will teach you from scratch till you start investing. Okay? You don't need all those people that will advise you on how to invest. The only thing you need is your phone. That's the only thing you need in order to succeed in life. Those that are making it now, some of them keep something for future. So I want you to keep something for future, because the way the economy is going down, you need to keep something for future, so that you can have something to sustain yourself. You can have something, something that will make you money in future. Okay? Start buying shares. You can buy MTN shares. You can buy Apple shares. You can buy Mastercard shares. You can buy, it is so many of them. You can buy so many shares. Okay? And to buy it is very cheap. Because that time I thought that to buy shares that I will spend like 20, 40, 50k before I can buy shares. But I now understand that to buy share, you can buy share of $1, which is equivalent to 500 naira and thereabout. You can buy share of 500 naira, 1000 naira, 2000 naira, 3000, depend on the amount you want to spend. Okay, so I'll teach you everything you need to know on how you can start investing. That's what I'm about to teach you right now. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that I'll keep uploading some quality videos like this that can help you in future, because I know in future you will remember me for this video. Okay, start doing what? Start investing. I'm serious today. Start investing. Okay, you don't even need to start buying land. Start buying stocks. Start buying shares, so that in near future you can resell it and you can become a millionaire or billionaire, because things keep going higher every day. Things keep going higher every day. So without wasting much time, let's go. Let me show you what I mean by start investing now. Let me show you. Okay, we are here. We are in. Like I said, that you will do everything with your phone. Okay, the app we'll be using for this particular investment is called Cheaper Cash. With Cheaper Cash, you can use Cheaper Cash to do so many things, but here what I'm focusing on, how you can use it to buy some stocks. Okay, let me just show you just how you can start or how you can register. You go to Cheaper Cash. In the description you will see link, okay, to download the app. You will see link to download is in the description. Once you click in the link in the description, it will take you to Play Store where you can download this app if you don't have it. But if you have it, don't mind, you can start doing what I'm about to show you here. Okay, once you use the link to download the app, the next thing you should do is just to register. Make sure you register everything from A to Z. Okay, register everything. I have an account here, but let me just show you a little way on how you can do that. Just all you need to do is just to click, go to open free account. Once you are here, you put your phone number. Don't use email address, use your phone number. You can use your phone number. You click in the next. Please enter the 6-digit code we have sent for you. Please, I don't want this video to be that long. You can follow it step by step, or if you want me to make video or tutorial on how you can do all those things, you tell me in the comment below and tell me that I should do a clear video on how you can register. But registration is very simple and understandable. All you need to go through this thing. Once they send the 6-digit code, you can register. And please, they will ask you for BVN. Don't fear, just provide your BVN and any information. This website is trusted. Okay, this website they are not scammers. What I have been following, or I have been using this website for long now, and this site never disappoints me. Okay, so make sure you follow it step by step. Provide your BVN, provide your national ID card, provide your NIN, and do everything. Okay, let's go. Let me sign in. Let me sign in. I have accounts. Okay, I got the code. Okay, we are here already. We are here already. Welcome, 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 welcome. We are here. This is how it look after registration. You go to a profile and you can do the other things you need to do once you are in the profile. Okay, you can follow it step by step. Okay, it's very simple and easy to use. And after setting up, all you need to do, as you can see here, this is home and the next one is earn. Okay, And this place is once you invite your friend, and we will send you both 600 naira when your friend verify the account and send 600 naira to another cheaper cash account. Okay, what I mean here is that once you verify your account and I send like 600 naira to you, this website will send you both 600 naira, which makes it 1,002. Okay, and if you invite someone from UK, you earn 5,700 naira when they are sent at least 20 euro to an African country. Okay, you earn 5,700 naira, but this is not the reason why we are here. Like I said, here is the card. The card is not available for now. Okay, the Visa card is not available. As you can see here, you will be notified as soon as the cheaper card become available in your country. It's not available in my country right now. Okay, the main thing we are here is to invest. Invest. As you can see, buy and sell stocks. Buy and sell. You can buy stocks here, you can also sell it here. Very simple and easy. As you can see, you can buy Amazon share, you can buy Microsoft share, you can buy Apple share, you can buy Vanguard share, Google share, okay, Mastercard share, P&G share, Visa share, Adobe share, Verizon share. You can buy all those things. Meta, okay. The ones that I think that I will buy now is this one, Apple share. Okay, as you can see, rise and fall, as you can see it. So let me buy Apple because I know this company is big company. Click on buy. I want to buy 1,000 naira worth. Okay, click next. Okay, confirm. Done. Okay, I bought this one. Let me buy the second one. Okay, I'll also buy Mastercard. How much on? Let me buy 1,000 naira. Can you see how to buy it? Very simple. I bought this one. I bought two now. Meta, 1,000 naira. Bought. Confirm. Bought. Remain one. $1,000. Bought. All right. I bought, the first one is Shopify. Okay. I bought worth of $2.41. Okay, Meta. I bought 2.41. Okay. Amazon, I bought 2.41. Mastercard, I bought 2.41. Apple, I bought 2.41. All right. This is how to invest. Okay. Before you can start investing, you need to add your card. In order to add your card, all you need to do is just to make sure you click on add cash. Once you click on add cash, it will tell you to add your card, the card you want to use to fund your wallet. Okay, once you add the card, they will debit 100 naira from your account, and once they debit that 100 naira from your account, please, you need to wait till 24 hours. There will be one second alert you will get. Okay, that second alert that you will get, you will put it to the place they ask you to put it, and they will transfer the 10 naira back to your account. The reason why they are doing that is just to verify that the account is yours. Okay, you need to wait for 24 hours in order to get that second debit. Okay, that second debit is the one that you use to verify your account. Okay, if you have any question, please make sure you ask me in the description. I'll be there to answer all your questions. As you can see, I bought share worth of 5,000 naira this evening. Okay, I bought share worth of 5,000 naira this evening, and we keep waiting for it to glow. There's a lot of things you can do here. You can buy airtime, you can buy data at cheaper rates. You can also pay bills at cheaper rates. Okay, all you need to do is just to register. Registration is very simple, and like I said earlier, you should use your number. Don't use your email address, please. Use your number. It's very important. Use your number to register. Okay, and after that, the next thing you will do is to make sure you follow the step-by-step on how to register. If you have any issue, or if there's any way you don't understand what to do next, please contact me. Okay, my personal number will be in the description, please, because I want us to win together. You can chat me and ask me anything. Okay, I will guide you because I want us to win together. All right, thank you. Make sure you use the link in the description app. Okay, they have app. This is their app. You can do things on their website, but this is their app. Okay, the app is well secured and you can do so many things. If you wish to do more research, you can do that. Okay, but whatever I show you here is legit.